Hey Jesse, my name is Jose, and we recently spoke on the phone in regards to me recording a short video for you. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this? And what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are way too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I have found out by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey Jose, I like you, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video, you like what you heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeves that I can help your business with, shoot me a message or a call back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing is I want to go over is content. So most of the time, when I do these video audits, I do it of an actual website. But I went on Google, I couldn't find no website at all. So the only thing I can find from you was your Yelp profile page. But if you happen to follow these steps and create a website for yourself, you will experience the same results. So I'm going to be using your competitors real quick to compare to show you how this works. So for this video, we're going to be focusing on the keyword of cleaning service Sarasota. And why exactly am I using this keyword? So a keyword is a popular phrase that is searched among leads or potential customers in your area. So I'm going to be using a very, very powerful tool called Ares. And according to this tool, this keyword alone generates over 200 searches per month. As you can see down here, there's many other keywords that people use. But to make this video short and simple, let's just focus on this one. So the first thing you see when you go on Google is the sponsor section, the map pack section, and then the organic listing. A couple fun facts about each of this section is about 70% of the traffic tend to go to the organic section, and then the other 30% tend to stay above from map pack section to the sponsor section. So you can see being able to be in front of those potential customers in all areas is very important. So let's start off with how exactly Mary Maids and Angie is able to rank top 2 organically on Google. So let's head over to one of their websites and let's just show you real quick. So when it comes to ranking on Google, one of the most important things is that you want to have about 1,500 words of content in your homepage. And as you can see right now, this website is not quite there yet. So if you were to do that yourself, you will be already beating them in that area. I'm using a word counter, and the Mary Maid website only has about 664 words of content in your home page, so they still have a little ways to go. So easily you can beat them in that section just by having those 1,500 words of content. Now to show you why content is important, so let's go and look up the keyword Sarasota in this page real quick. All right, so they have Sarasota about 18 times in their content. So Mary Maids of Sarasota. So as you can see, Sarasota home cleaning services. That's also a keyword, home cleaning services in Sarasota, cleaning services Sarasota. So as you can see, Mary Maids is a very well-known company. Even though Mary Maids is well-known and people see their cars all over the street, they still want to dominate that general space where people haven't chosen a company yet. So that's why they target keywords like this and try to be the most relevant in order to get those other customers who don't necessarily know about them or still haven't decided about who to hire. So it is very important to have those general keywords like this one in order to be found by those potential customers. And as you can see, they have all these keywords throughout their whole content. And let's keep looking. Let's see. As you can see right here, they were trying to get more content in their word count in their content, and they did a little section about Sarasota. Most people wouldn't do that, but they do know the value of having more content than your competitor. Like 95% of people won't even read this, but when Google goes through the web and crawls your websites, it tries to see which website's the most relevant. So design doesn't matter to Google. It matters what content you have in it, how fast it loads, and lastly, looks like I'm going a little bit over in time. The last thing you want to do, make sure you're saving your images or their files under certain keywords, like Mary Maids, professional cleaning services, because that also helps when Google crawls through your website. So there's more things to go into this. So if you have any questions about this section after you watch this video, please reach out back to me, okay? So the next section of how to be considered an authority on the Google's eyes and rank higher on Google is backlinks. So normally I will show your backlinks, but since you don't have a website, that means you don't have any backlinks. We are using that tool again that I told you about earlier called Ahrefs. So as you can see, Mary Mates is a big company, and Angie as well. They sell leads to businesses like you. Even though they're a big company, they haven't done a lot of backlink work to their website. As you can see, they only have 114 backlinks coming from 12 referring domains. And let me show you real quick what backlinks are so you have a deeper understanding of what it is. So as you can see, this random website has a little profile of them, and pretty much what that does, this website has power, and once they have a link on that website on here somewhere, I think it's probably the logo. As you can see, boom, it takes me to the Sarasota website. As you can see, that's what a backlink is. And as you can see, they have many backlinks here from different websites, and honestly, that back page they have for Sarasota is very easy to beat. So the biggest key thing about backlinks is quality over quantity. As you can see, the quality for the back pages of Sarasota is not so good compared to the other back pages. So you can easily beat them in that area. Now let's compare to the other competitor, which is Angie. They only have one backlink, and they're generating over 151 traffic per month. Mary Maids is generating over 255. With this tool, it lets me see which keywords they're targeting. As you can see, they're targeting cleaning services Sarasota, Sarasota cleaning services, and so on. You get the idea. It is lots of keywords we can target here. Alrighty, my friends. So sorry that I took a little too long for this video. Usually I try to do around 5 to 6 minutes. The last part I got to go over to is the map pack section. So once again, there's lots of influential factors that help you get ranked on the top for your Google Maps, but the most influential factor is having high quality business citations. You want to have more business citations than competitors and higher quality ones. So what exactly is a business citation? So pretty much websites like Angie, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and a bunch of other ones, like Facebook, that has your business name, business address, and business phone number that matches to your Google profile. The more you have, the higher the authority Google's going to have for you. And that's one of the most influential factors when it comes to ranking on Google. Once again, I appreciate taking your time to watch this video. I know it can be kind of confusing, especially that you don't have a website. So I did my best trying to explain how and why the competitors are getting the results they're getting. So if you have any questions at the end of this video or anything at all, just please reach back out to me. Thank you, Jesse, and I hope you have a great day.